Javed. Today is 14 November 2025. I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. The first Prime Minister
of India. पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू.
Pandit Ji
जवाहरलाल नेहरू.
Jawaharlal
नेहरू.
Nehru.